So we are at Vasquez Park near Palmdale, and we are parked here, and now we are ready to explore. Let's check out this Vasquez Rocks museum first. It's like nature centers and little museums, you know. So looking forward to exploring here. This is the interpretive center, they say. See what's here. So I wouldn't be able to see everything in detail because we wanna go for a walk. So this is gonna be like a short. This is gonna be like a short visit here. Meet the residents. As a matter of fact, in ordinary desert, some much greater variety of plants than does a forest or a prairie. Snake, rattle, and rope. It says, oh wow, look at this. The highwayman hideout. This is where we are, I guess. Snake awareness. No, we don't want to get bitten by a snake. So they have a few animals here, looks like. Oh wow, look at that. Desert rosy boa. It is the boa snake. And you can see that it's sitting in the back over there. And scorpion. Desert scorpion. Not seen there. This is the gopher snake. You can see it sitting in the back over there. And this is tarantula. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, that is really something. I've never seen that in person. And this is the Southern Pacific rattlesnake. Doesn't it look like beautiful? It is a beautiful snake, I think. Wow. Look at its green coat. So I did see one of those in the wild. And look at all these posters. So all these movies were actually made here, believe it or not. And some of these movies I know came out last. So some of these are like older movies, some are new. John Wayne in Lawless Range. Legendary lion scare. Some information here about the movies. What's here? We can't wait to explore some of those rocks over there. From Homesteading to Hollywood. Seeking gold, finding heaven. White gold. Interesting. Little bit of history here. And see those rocks outside. That's where I want to be. It's interesting how they have preserved all of these, right? Something will have gone out of us as a people if we ever let the remaining wilderness be destroyed. Leave that wild country available to us. Nice how they set up the center. The ceiling is so high that gives it a feeling of like openness. You know. There is even like a gift shop here. Gift shop. Some information here. Nature Center Discovery. Story and weekly family story linked with light eyes. Side. See, this is the gift shop here. Lots of things. Hi.
This is where I normally work in the gift shop.
Oh, okay, okay.
When you get to work, just gotta work 5 minutes when you get here or 45.
So lots of things. What were you saying about this card? Postcard?
His name is Tiburcio Vasquez.
Mm-hmm.
He used to hide out over here.
Oh, really?
He was an outlaw.
Oh, wow.
He was born in 1835
Okay.
in Monterey, California.
I see.
And then when he started, he was like Robin Hood.
Oh, I see, I see. I
My
get
voice
it.
is going, I don't know why, but he was like Robin Hood. He would steal from the settlers
Mm-hmm.
and give money and gold to the ranchers.
Hmm.
The ranchers that were here, the natives, they would hide him. So
I
the
see.
authorities couldn't catch him.
Oh, I
They
see.
finally caught him
Uh-huh.
in 1874 and they
Oh,
sent him
wow.
up to St. Quentin.
Oh,
1875, they hanged him. He
oh,
was only 39 years old.
oh, that's kind of sad.
Yes.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah.
Especially since he was like Robin Hood.
He would rob from, see what, when they
Mm.
discovered gold in California in 1849.
Yeah.
A lot of the settlers from back east came
Mm-hmm.
looking for gold. There was gold all over California. So they mistreated the Indians that were here, the natives. They sold their ranches. So Tiburcio rebelled against them.
Very interesting gift shop. Look at all the stones and everything. So tell me something about the park.
The park. Well, it's a famous park for many reasons. Part of it is because they filmed movies here for over 100 years.
Oh, really?
Yes, a lot of the old TV programs were filmed here.
Uh-huh.
A lot of commercials are filmed here. A lot of famous movies have been filmed here.
I see, I see. And the rock formations are very unique.
The rocks were formed 25 million years ago.
Oh my goodness. That's a long time ago.
Yes.
So nobody falls from the rocks and no one has
Sometimes
an accident?
People climb up there and they do get hurt coming down.
Yeah.
They have accidents, but As far as I know, it hasn't been too serious, but it is.
Okay, something to watch, right?
It's kind of it's a risk.
It's a risky, yeah.
Risky.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, bye. We'll see you later.
I'm gonna just see from far, not venture too high.
Skulls.
I see.
They're made by a company that duplicates them. They're very accurate reproductions of different animals.
Called witch's hat. Huh.
You have to, they look at it in the right angle, it looks like a witch's hat.
Yeah, it does. Interesting. Doesn't this look like a bed? What's going on with this? That's what it means. I climbed this because it says to climb it, and it says every time you come, it changes. That's what it said over there. More information on Vasquez Rocks area. Going to take the nature heritage trail and see what we can find. Lots of rocks, lots of trees, and the famous rocks are, I can see they're all the way in the back. You can see there are like rocks everywhere here, and a little bit cloudy, not too much, and the weather is just right. All these rocks are like quite unique here. To go check out this rock. It almost looks like a seed or something. Very different. Oh wow. Wow. Look at those rocks. I'm going to walk through these rocks and then see what kind of views I find up there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I can see. rocks and rocks here everywhere. Look at that big mountain. My goodness. We keep on moving here. Keep on going here. Little bit of information here. This is what it says about the rock. Oh wow, there are like paths going everywhere here. The way up there, I better keep up with him. Fine. Rock. I wonder what the story is behind that rock. It is pretty prominent. Summer now and there's a lot of brown here, not so much green, but still, you know, it looks beautiful. It's all about the rocks here, you know, and the rocks are always beautiful, no matter the weather. Some more information here about the native Indians who used to live and what they did. Walking on those rocks, those tiny people, they are actual real people. They are up there on the rocks, Rocky Mountains, that is.